Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. So in today's video I'll be showing you a simple method you can use to reduce, or let's say eliminate your breakouts. Yeah, so the ingredients we'll be using today is spirulina and a fish sheet mask. Spirulina is, some people call spirulina face masks algae masks. Yeah, and in Hausa it is called DA. In Kanuri it is called DA. So it's DA in the market. If you go to people selling skincare products, you can tell them you want to get spirulina or algae face masks. If you are in a Hausa place, you can say you are looking for DA. So I have used my DA and I have used my face sheet mask,
Firstly,
and
you
this
set
is
your canvas
what
to
my face
use
looks
and
like.
you
I'll
bring
be
your
I'll be
original
using this
spirulina.
consistently
Make
until
sure
I
spirulina is
get
good. There are
breakouts
some
you can see
spirulina
here.
in the market
So
that are
let's get
mixed.
into the video.
Then, if you want to go ahead and use oil, you can use oil in mixing your spirulina. So, this is my spirulina, and spirulina is available. You can shop it. Just send a DM on the number, send a DM to the number on the screen. I will be mixing my own spirulina with just water, and the water is just normal room temperature water, and you guys can see how green this spirulina looks. This spirulina is so good, and it doesn't smell bad. Some spirulina smell like cow dung, but this one doesn't smell bad. So I am using just this stick to mix my spirulina, and I will apply this spirulina on my face. So like I said, you can use oil to mix your spirulina. If you don't want to use just water, you can use honey, you can use yogurt, you can use raw honey, you can use processed honey, whatever you want to use. um I mean, you can use any of the mentioned products that I mentioned, and you can just like use them. So, and the consistency I use is a very thick consistency. And guys, let me tell you, by just applying this spirulina on my face, I could feel a tickling effect on my face. And like I was what I was feeling after the tickling effect was like the spirulina was drying out the skin. Like I could feel the spirulina effects, like I could feel the spirulina going into my skin, like going into my pores. Yes, so that's how good this spirulina is. So I applied the spirulina all over my face. Make sure you don't apply it in your eye, because you want to avoid any irritation, and you don't apply this on your hair. But if you want to apply it on your lips, you can apply it. I just did not want to apply this on my lips because I was fasting. After a few minutes, you guys can see the spirulina is already beginning to dry up, and you can see it's um yeah, it's dry. At this point it's dry. I had to move my veil off camera and apply it on my forehead. Yeah, and I applied it behind my ears, and I applied it on my ears too, and I applied it on my jaw. That's my lower jaw. Like I made sure I applied this spirulina
My
everywhere, especially
veil
under my
and all, so that
jaw, because
I can
that's
get
where
every
I
part of the
break out a
face.
lot
So I think it's dry,
monthly.
so
And
I'm just going to
so
use
this is
water
my wet towel. I'm just going to use
and
this and
start
wipe off
getting
the
it off.
spirulina. I was trying to use this
So
to wipe
I
this
have
off.
this, what should I call this? Um, they are soft. I don't know the name. I got it at Miniso, so I'll just use it. I added some water.
I soaked my
I'm
face
just
tissue
going to
in
use
water, and I used it to
to
clean my
clean your
face.
face.
I used warm water because like I told you guys,
Is
I
it
was
coming up?
feeling a tingling effect when I applied the spirulina. That's why I used warm water, and it wasn't fast. Let me tell you guys, using the face towel wasn't fast for me. You can see it was just so slow. So I had to like use water. I had to just go and wash my face. Yes, and I have a lot of hairs on my forehead, so
Apprentice.
I was trying to like avoid.
You are apprentice now. Somebody that is helping somebody's apprentice. I can feel the cooling effect. Like I bet I love that because I need to get rid of this blackheads and I don't even know. Yeah. I don't want to stain my nail. Yes, I have washed my face and this is what my face looks like. We still have the breakouts. I'm still going to continue this routine for um the rest of the days. That's the rest of the Ramadan because we want a flawless, beautiful, glowing looking face for Eid. Yeah, I don't want to go to Eid with breakouts. And guys, I thought I should show you guys what made me break out. So I've been using this setting face wash consistently and I have been loving the results. I have never had any issue um with it. So I'm just going to let my face I don't like cleaning my face when I wash my face. I just let my face to dry naturally. And tried this, but for now I don't think I need to clean it because I've been using this face wash for a very long time, guys, and I have lost count of um how many tubes I've used. These are the empty ones I have. You can see, guys, and then this is the one I'm using presently. So I've been using it for the past 3 years and I've been loving the results. I use this. I am not very consistent when washing my face as before I go to bed and I just wash my face once. So I have been loving the results this have been giving me, but lately I saw the face cream in the market and I thought I should get the face cream because since I'm using the face wash, it will be better if I pair it with the face cream. Hmm. I did not know I was going to get into big trouble, guys, and I got the face cream. So this is the face cream. The face cream made me break out so much. To cut the long story short, that is what made me break out so much, and now I'm just battling with this breakout. So try my best to reduce the breakouts because um the breakouts is only like visible in this part. Yes. So guys, I have stopped using this. I'm just going to use it as a moisturizer, a hand moisturizer. I still have like a lot. I just use this like I just use a little of this. It's still remaining. So I'm just going to use it as a hand moisturizer. Yeah. So guys, my face is now dry. I will use my face mask. This is my blueberry moisturizing mask and I'm just going to use this because it's lightweight, breathable, soft and it's give intensive hydration. Hydrating mask to hydrate my face, then I'll apply my face oil to moisturizer. And I don't really use like any special
After
moisturizer on
washing
my
your
face. I
face,
just
when
use
you use the
my soft
spirulina, it's
7
not
oil
compulsory to use the
on my
face
face
mask like
because
I did.
after
I
this
just use this
breakout,
face
I do
mask
not
because
want
I had a lot
anything
of
to
breakouts. Mind you,
ruin my face.
if your breakout is not like
So
mine, you can just skip this step and just apply a moisturizer after using the spirulina, and you are good to go. So Spirulina should be used at least once a month, especially if you have monthly breakouts, or you have breakouts from hormonal imbalance, or you have breakouts from using some kind of product. So for me, the breakouts I am still doubting, but I know that it's two there are two things that caused my breakout. This moisturizer I use, and then a hormonal acne which I know will go soon. And I have removed it, and my face feels hydrated. If your gut health is not in one shape, trust me, you are going to have reoccurring
I'm
breakouts and
just going to
acne.
let this
So I
sit on my
blended
face
carrots,
for some
turmeric,
minutes
ginger,
because
oranges, and
I'll
black
be performing
pepper, so
ablution.
that
It's
I'll be
almost
taking
time
it
for prayer,
every day.
and
That's my glow shot, or just like a shot to just help with digestion, bowel movement, and everything, like everything good. So you need to have this too if you want to glow from the inside. I got 2 bottles of this, and make sure you sip this when you blend.
my shirt is ready, guys. Mind but
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. If you have a question, I will do well to answer it. See you guys in my next one. Bye.